Hi everybody, myself Dushan Garewal. I'm here to showcase you about my startup Arctoplus Private Limited, what we are doing in this company. Before I start anything about my company, I want to tell you who I am. I have completed a computer science degree from NIT Rourkela, National Institute of Technology Rourkela, and then I got campus selected in Red Tiger. There is a project in this company. There is a project called Desia, which is later acquired by Travel Guru. Here I learned, it's a startup company, and here I learned about the tourism domain, especially in hotel domain. At that time the tourism is booming in India, especially in internet domain. So I learned about how the technology works in this startup company. Then I joined the Virti Infocom, which is IITian startup company. There I also learned the different tourism concept apart from that educational technology which is currently they are building. Then I joined Nagero, and but it's a service-based company, and I'm not able to gel in this company, and I they worked for only 1 year. After that, I started my career with People Strong, where I almost spent my 7 years of life. And when I joined it, I personally see that it's a startup company. When I joined this company, there are only 4 or 5 technology guys, and we almost started to build the HR technology from scratch. And I personally say that when I joined this company, there are only 5 members. When I left this company around year back, there are almost 150 plus IT and technology and pupils working in this company. And although the overall strength of this company is around 1,000 people, but the technology which is grown in this HR domain is incredible. And I personally think that it eventually changed me. I personally thought that it gave me another degree in building things, technology, understanding technology thing. Finally, I shared my thoughts with my CTO that I want to start my own company, and he personally advised, he became an advisor in my company, and I started Arctop Labs after that. So why I started this company, I just want to let you know that while building the technology, I personally found out that the only thing in any technology is the data. Let's say whether it is an e-commerce website, whether it's an HR domain technology, whether it's a tool technology, whether it's an education technology, all are built on top of some data. And the data is the core thing which is being used in every application. Now the more and more the cloud is coming, the migration of this data is more and more happening to the cloud system. But every system has its specific concern, and they only concentrate only on the specific stream of data. So then I thought, why don't we create an framework where people can easily do their prototyping, or do their proof of concept, and build a small technology on top of it. So then I decided to build an RESTful API framework, which personally I branded as a master data node, where all the data resides. It uses a very simple protocol system called HTTP, and which is a web service. It's a REST service framework, which is currently the booming concept in internet world. Apart from that, the data which has been transferred from here and there is been on a JSON format. Many people ask me why you used JSON format, not the XML format which has been used. So just to let you know guys, why I use the JSON format is because of the data size, because it's not the only application which is on top of a browser on cloud is been built, but there are many applications or the devices which connects to the cloud systems. Like if you are having some handheld device, if you're having some iPad, if you're having some any IoT device which is sending and receiving the data, they have a data concern that they can send and receive a very small amount of data, and it has to be operated in very effective manner. Like that they should be working on GPRS or either on 2G or on 3G and this kind of. So that's why we have used a lightweight data transport framework and we finalized the JSON format. So our technology is very simple. If you have any data set and you want to put that data on cloud, you can easily do that. There's only just it take not more than few seconds to put your data on cloud. You just upload your data format to our clouds. Apart from that, if you don't even have the data but still you have the concept, you can just create an JSON format accordingly and push the data in format. So what is the best about our technology? Our best about our technology is it's as simple as opening a Google page or Facebook page on a browser account. So if you can do that, you can easily use our predefined links and send JSON data to and fro using the HTTP protocol. And any programming language that supports the HTTP protocol, you can easily put your data on our cloud system. So that's the unique technology which we have built, and we called it as the master data node. And I personally use and try to build a small utility application. You can easily go to our GitHub page where we have created a small project of 20 different times. In very first phase, we only concentrated on the software part of it, or only the internet cloud part of it. In the next phase, we try to integrate this data solution with the many hardware devices like handheld devices, like wearable bands, goggles, or any type of devices that can be connected to internet, called the Internet of Things. If your application wants to connect to another application, but these two applications have a different data size format, you can easily use our cloud platform to sync the data to and fro within this technology. So in the Actop Labs, what we try to solve, so we are solving few problems in our Actop Labs company. And very first thing, the framework which we have designed is master data nodes, which is data as a software, data as a service. We try to send, and it's very easy to push, pull, or perform any CRUD operation, create, update, read and delete operation easily on your system. And the problem which we try to solve in our company is the third-party integration, seamless integration between the third party, where the multiple cloud system or the system which is generating the data, which we call the system of records, can be easily communicated with each other. The second part is to provide the data solutions for the IoT devices. So there is a boom in building IoT devices, but when it's come to its data saving cost, you have to build altogether reinvent the wheel and create the complete software on top of it. So what we are doing is building the data technology software for this. Also, what we try to solve, so once we have the data, we try to provide you with the good analytical data analytics on top of it. Yeah, you can build a small automated AI bots or AI solution on top of it, and the small task which has been built on top of data technology that can perform some predefined tasks on a particular device can be also built on top of technology. And the very unique solution which we try to build is to push the data or to provide the data to any existing technology. Let's say if you had any application built on for your organization and you want some data to be shown from any other application, so what you just need to do, push that particular specific data to our cloud, use your existing UI UX framework and push this data. So I just want to show you what is the difference we try to create in doing this, and what are the main things that can be solved using our data technology. So just I want to show you that this is the traditional way of building the applications. Like you have in some application and you have some output inside. So what we are trying to do is you have to have the server setup cost, server space, database setup cost, new learning curve if you want to learn the new things, and apart from that, the customization you need to do for that extended device. So that's what we are trying to solve with our master data technology. You have only one cloud system with you, and there is no server space costing for you, there is no server setup costing for you, and even no database cost. Even the learning curve is very minimum. If you know how to access the HTTP protocol, or you know about the JavaScript protocol, it's just minutes or it's a matter of time. You can do all those things, and you can use the existing UI UX to fetch or fetch the data or access the data from our cloud system. So this is how your complete system is simplified with our unique technology. So these are the things which we try to solve. So what are the benefits of this data technology? So everybody says that you put your data on our clouds. What about the security and kind of thing? So I want to show you what are the advantages you can get by using our this framework ecosystem. Is easy access your data any point anywhere on the cloud. Second thing is you can connect with multiple application system with single standard of code which we have built. Third is customized to any system, any applications, not only the application but for the hardware devices. IoT device transport system is very simple. HTTP protocol which is built on top of JSON format data transfer. Data will remain encrypted on our cloud system. Even if the database manager not able to access your data, not able to find which data belongs to which ownership with you, you can perform any CRUD operation, create, update, read or delete. You can do that. The storage we try to share is very easily. We try to give it for free for startups, developers, technology enthusiasts who want to build small applications, and for the commercial use we try to charge for that, and the no learning curve. So when we minimize all these 4-5 steps, the building cost of any utility or any proof of concept or anything can be done very fast. So this is the very solution which we try to share in our data technology company. And I hope you find it interesting. If you like our way of thinking and building the new things on the cloud platform, do connect with us. I shared my Twitter account. You can put a message on it. Apart from that, I'm sharing my email account where you can share your feedback too. What can be improved or what are the things which can be built. If you like our idea and try to and want to invest in us to take it to the next level, so that you do write me on my email address which I shared here. So that's what we try to build and try to create a new technology. We are the new startups recognized by Startup India campaign initiated by Shri Narendra Modi. We are recognized, and we are recognized in very special day, 15 August. So it's very special moment for us that we got the recognition on the day of Indian independence. That's the best part of this. Also, I want to share, if you want to advise us, if you want to become an advisor to our guys, so please do write us. If you want to use our platform, if you're not able to, if you try to build new things, you can easily connect. You mail us. We try to share you some sample codes which can be used in your utility tools also. Thank you from Dushyant. I am the founder of Octoplabs, and I want to use this framework for free and share your feedback to us. Thank you.